I'm going to go ahead and set my camera up, go into Pro. I got my color on, my field of view, my image, I want to be custom. Let's put that -2, 1, confirm. And let's do some white balance, manual, and confirm, and do a video. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're done. Now, how can we tell what we shot in? Let's hit the playback button. 1, 2, 3. That's the video we shot. We need to go to the screen to the side. And over here, there's this little circle with an eye in it. We just shot a file, today's date, the frames, and the video resolution, standard D-warp, rock steady, and D-log. We also shot in some custom modes which are missing. So we don't have the full setting, but we know we're in D-log M. It gives you almost everything a GoPro has. I hope this may have helped you out in getting all the information you're looking for.